Okay, stream started. I am ready. And yeah, hello, ho, ho. And yeah, welcome back to another live stream. Yeah, I just recorded the next part of the GUI tutorial series. Now we can finally get back to basic or stuff that is more fun, like pygame. And yeah, let me just start another. Oh, I should first view my own live stream. Here we go. Now I should not be hearing myself. This is bad, but yeah, now let's see. Here we go. Another thumbs up. And yeah, we'll be starting in a few seconds. Just have to do a few things like, oh, what could I do? Something like, yeah, actually starting. Should maybe, yeah. 1 second, 2 second. Okay. So what was my intention last time? And why am I having so much tabs open? Let me just close them, close other tabs. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, at the moment no one is watching, so I can still make myself a cup of coffee before I start. Maybe I should do that. I hope we will get some viewers today. And yeah, feeling itchy. Yeah, yesterday was a really good stream. We got a few ones. Yeah, so we'll grab myself a cup of coffee. We'll start soon. Live stream, science, pygame, sing something other. Okay, here we go. So, should I make myself a cup of coffee now? I guess that should be done. Yeah. Okay. Hello, if anyone joined. Did someone join? I have the feeling, or I maybe have paranoia, but paranoia is okay. Always have paranoia. No, no one joined, actually. So time for a cup of coffee. Okay, I'm back, and I see. Welcome to the ones who joined. Yeah, one voted for data science, one voted for pygame. Who voted for data science and pygame? Maybe you write in the chat, so I see which one is still there. And yeah, no one. Okay, yeah. Then let's simply do some pygame. And yeah. Hello, Pendley. How are you? Hey, what do you think? What should I do? Pygame or data science? Oh, the coffee is perfect. Yeah, because I'm really excited of tomorrow. Tomorrow will maybe be another stream. Yeah, and hello to the new people who joined. Hope you're doing fine. Yeah. So, what was my intention? So let me just continue first with my pygame, because the last stream I destroyed something, or not really while running. I did two if, and the one if true, I guess, if true. Yeah, no. Inventory. If not. Level, here we go, level generator. Yeah, this gets complicated because now I'm putting here. Yeah, it's kind of fun. I didn't even make games until now. This is really my first kind of project regarding pygame. So yeah, let's just, that's the stream for. The stream is for if you program for yourself, you can hear my voice if you want. And yeah, it's like programming together in a big office, but yeah, kind of digital, because yeah, we can't be in a big office because I guess most of my viewers aren't even in my country or of my subscribers. So yeah, that's what is intended with that stream. Talk something about coding, code, and chill. Okay, so pygame. What I was trying to do, kind of doing the level generation outside of the main function. So we have the door coordinates. The function was generate an empty boss room. So main file here, generate empty boss room, screen running. But I said something like if true. So did I forget something here? Display flip. The code is unreachable. This should be do maybe here. Let's do it again. Oh, one code, sorry. So here, main, one main. Here we go. So I have my game back, and I should show you, sorry. Here we go. So now you could also see it. They got kind of faster. Why did they get faster? I didn't make them faster, to be honest. Let's find that out later. Okay. So what could be the issue? Well, let me see. Let me level up. Yeah, they really got faster. I really don't know why. The blob should be pretty slow. Only the eyes should be fast. Okay. Okay, so what doesn't work anymore is the level. Okay, door. Where is if true? While running, if true. Where is if true? Yeah, why am I doing this? It's kind of a step-by-step to get the leveling process, which I accidentally programmed outside in the main function. That's total bullshit. A sheet. Sheet like a sheet, but of a bull. Yeah, don't wanna. You know what I'm referring to, because it is really, if you do it object orientated, you should do everything object orientated and not stuff like me. So now I have to check mostly everything. So door. Let me see. Main. Running screen full black. Where here is screen full black? Okay, this stuff should be all main. Running, and let's do the boss room. Where was the boss room level generator? Main. Oh, here are the door that still exists. So door coordinates. Okay. If true, so why is this unreachable? Else. Here, else break. This should be simply okay, let's do it. Does it work? Yeah, so does the level skip work? No, still not working. That's bad. Okay. But I will fix it. Can we fix it? Yeah, we can fix it. Don't know, this was a quote from a TV show I skipped, and I found too cringeworthy even when I was a little child, about 5 years old. Okay. I guess it was Bob the Builder. Or Bob the I don't know the English title. Okay, but I'm kind of losing the grip. So, break, clock ticks, this is... Should break out of this loop. Doing another one. I guess I'm too... Maybe... Yeah, I guess I used wrong indentation. So again, let's try it. And with that, we can also try if the inventory works. So yeah. Okay, now it works. Level change works perfectly. Let's do a few levels so we can upgrade, see if the... What I want to see is come on, what I wanted to say is if the eyes are still faster than the regular enemies. And we got the rainbow level and the new enemy type on the right side. I mean, it's a whole game. Yeah, you can see the whole game. Inventory works, perfect. I think as intended, and we should snack the cat here because we want to level up. Oh, here's only one cat left, but yeah, let's get the cat. Now we are level 3, now we get a new enemy type which will get us much more EP if he spawns. In this level he doesn't, but yeah. Okay, next level. Here we go, now we got the new enemy type. Cause we want to get the eye enemy type. So what I really like is the game is really colorful. Okay, now here's a new enemy type on the right side. Oh yeah, they are fast. That's cool. And they're kind of stalking which is pretty cool. Cause if I'm here, yeah, they are fast, and that's good. Okay. Snacks a cat, gets a drink. Let's see if the drink heals us. Oh, not really. Doesn't heal. Okay, we should check this later. But why isn't the drink healing us? Maybe the function is still, yeah, has some issues. Or maybe I have too much HP. Let me see how much HP later. So yeah, but now let's close. Everything works fine. And yeah, let's see. Don't got that many impressions, but it's fine. Okay, what could we do next? Next I will take a sip of my cup of coffee, because coffee is awesome. I couldn't live without coffee, I'm honest. Many people couldn't live without cigarettes. I quit smoking, I'm happy about that, but yeah, without coffee kind of, yeah, is a alternate drug. When I quit smoking I needed something, and that's why I'm drinking that much coffee. Okay. Now let's see, why is inventory, let's say main object, item, health potion, max HP, multiplies with let's do it something else. I guess I know the issue. Player point HP equals multiplied with player HP plus 100 is greater than plus player HP plus 100. Yeah. So now the item system should work. Yeah, because the formula was, by the way, made by a viewer. So thanks to Whiskey, I guess, was it? Thanks to him. And yeah. So now let's quit the program. I will simply guess it will happen right, and yeah, that is something we can test simply later on, just by playing and testing different stuff. Let's now get back to the main function. Let's try to generate a boss room. So else, and now let's see, we need this entire block if true. While running, where is the if true? If else up for, come on, where are you if true? So where is it? Yeah, this entire section. So level generator, generate boss room. Yeah. So now we need to player one should be refactored. Come on, where's refactor here? Oh, it can't be. Oh no, I don't wanna. Player one equals 2. Now I should be able to refactor it. Where can I refactor it? Rename to player. Perfect. Player equals 2 is now. Let's delete this. And the next step, we still got walls. Don't we have any walls? Or are walls walls I guess generated? Are they? Where do we generate walls? Oh, I'm so sorry. This was not my intention. Too much coffee, I guess. So where do we generate walls? Now let me check something up. Be right back. Yeah, it's still because I'm kind of busy at the moment. From time to time, I really sorry, but I have to check up a few things, but private stuff. But yeah, only I guess every 20 minutes, and it will only take not even 3 minutes. So I try to hurry. And yeah, I can tell you a joke if I would knew a joke. But I'm a German, and German don't know any jokes because Germans don't have humor. Humor is a really serious topic in Germany here. I may be just joking, and yeah, regarding the fact that I could be joking regarding the fact that Germans don't have any humor. But if I would be only joking, this would imply that Germans have humor and Germans don't have humor. So okay, so and hello to the next one who joined the stream. Yeah, I'm trying to do my pygame, and yeah, I have my level generator. So the door is generated, obstacles. But where are the walls? So we have our walls. Let's say walls. Where are walls generated? Wall, global wall rack. Okay, so let's do something like, where is the generate boss room? Generate boss room. Boss. So generate boss room. Walls equals walls. We have walls. What is his issue? Walls equals walls. Because it is written in uppercase, we need to change it in lowercase like this. Where are also walls? Here we go, walls. So I guess we fixed that. Did we? Let me see, walls. Yeah, yes, we fixed it. Okay, so next issue should be, let me see, let me think, let me see and think, let me rethink, and yeah. Next issue should be, have we here? Check for key input. So this is something we need to import. Import from basic functions, import, no, from main import check for key input. Funny. Then we have to declare funny main. Where is funny? Is here. So this can be a global variable in the in the module. If we are able to copy it correctly, yeah, we can say this is a global variable here. Okay, next step. What? And no call. This basic functions. No collision. Yeah, it's from basic functions. So main level generator from basic functions import star. Okay. And import basic functions. We have to fix this one day. This is not good coding. I'm sorry for this. Hello to the viewers who joined, by the way, doing some pygaming stuff. So feel free to join, feel free to vote. Many people want data science, so I guess I will switch to data science. And yeah. I shouldn't always say hello to the viewers, because always when I say hello to everyone who joined, the viewer count decreases. So yeah. But yeah, everyone is still welcome. Don't. Maybe this is too offensive. Yeah, data science is wanted. So yeah, I think I should switch to data science. Okay. Then let me do another poll before I switch to data science. What kind of package should I cover? I can do Numpy, I can do Pandas, and I can do... I hope you won't vote for Pandas, because Pandas is the package I didn't do the longest time before. And the next one could be, yeah, matplotlib, of course. And with that in mind, you can vote for that. And with that, I will still try to fix the issues here. Rectangle equals left color, logo. To import it, where's the logo? Logo is here. Level generator, so let's do logo. Kind of annoys me that logo is... We don't need this. Logo equals main. Let me look at the chat. Matplotlib. Okay, I can do that. 1 second. Let me just wait a few minutes, and then we will do some matplotlib. Yes, that's good. I guess I'm still good in matplotlib. Didn't forget everything. Yeah, I'm doing a matplotlib tutorial every 3 or 4 days. Okay, but I guess my vote would also go for matplotlib. And yeah, there goes, by the way, another vote. So yeah, we are obviously doing matplotlib, because 3 viewers and 2 voted for matplotlib. Okay, so we are doing matplotlib. Should I do the basics, or should I do maybe... Let's create a new directory, matplotlib for stream. And let's create a new file. Let's do. So what can we do? What I always wanted to try is like a sinus function, or maybe you can write in the chat what you want to see. I can show you just random stuff. Should I cover the basics? Should I do a live tutorial where you can ask anything? I will do another poll. What should I cover there? Basic stuff. Live tutorial. I don't know. Whatever you want. Or do just some graphs. Okay. We'll do the poll. Hello to the fourth viewer who joined. We are doing matplotlib, or I didn't even write anything. Let's close the other tabs. Close other tabs. So yeah. Feel free to vote what we can cover now. By that, let me just create, do the basic stuff like import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Yeah. plt.show. Maybe later we animate stuff. So, but for this, we will do that. And yeah. plt.plot. 3, 4, 2, 1. Now if we want that, you see that you can't see that, so I will just move it to OBS. 1 second, you will soon be able to see it. Oh, now you saw nothing. Kind of gets like a philosophical question. Here we go. This is a beautiful plot, simplest plot you can do. It's a really simple graph. And yeah, I don't know, whatever you want. Yes, so I will just do some stuff. What comes up in my mind. What I always wanted to do is something regarding an MPI, like a live plotting. But how can I do that? Maybe I got an idea. I want to do a plot regarding the viewer times. Yes. If I do something like this. Animate plotting is with the regular plot function is kind of tricky, while, for example, like this, while true, plt.plot, when I do something like this, L equals 0. Let's import random. Import random. And plt.plot L plus random point rand int 1 to 10. plt.pause 1 second. We will simply get this here. Nothing. So we won't. Oh yeah, that's pretty obvious because L oh, it works perfect. Okay, didn't know that in my test video I did earlier it didn't work, but it's cool that it works. Yeah, so this is pretty simple. It's just a graph which kind of adds random numbers to itself. But yeah, pretty simple, pretty doable. Okay. Now let me close this one. And let's, yeah, plt.pause. We can do that much faster like this. Oh no, this is pretty dumb. I wanted to do it like this. Do I still have coffee? Or yeah, this looks cooler. I still live? Let me see if I'm still live. Yes, I am. Okay. So, yeah, and now it begins lagging. So let's stop it and let me think what I could now implement. Something like, what data could we see? You have any tips what data I could cover? But I like this PLT point pause. Random integer. Random, let's add more random. What I really like is the rainbow system. It kind of changes its color by random. This is also pretty cool. But I don't like the white stuff, so let's add a style. Or what was again PLT point style? Oh no, I did it last. I know I did it. I did it in the last video. How did I do it? Don't wanna be that. How can I do it first? Beautiful soup. Let me just see a little script. PLT point. Let me just Google something like get viewer count API. But this is boring now. Let's don't do that. I'm thinking, what can we do? How can we kind of make this even cooler? I have an idea. I got a simple idea, which is, I will increase the variety. So we have random integer 1 to 10. Let's say a values a plus 1, b values b plus 2. I guess we have to declare b. Yeah, we have to say something like a equals 0, b equals 0. Now, yeah, here we go. Now we have a step. Like the infinite step in Mario, but yeah, as you can see, even the I also increased the kind of difference or gaps, or however you want to call it. So yeah. By the way, I'm actually doing just some graphs. Yeah, now he starts lagging, of course. Now it looks, do you know when you're bored in class or school, you wrote with your pencil, you wrote those kind of thunderstorms. This reminds me of one of them. But let's do it even more cooler. We can do something like multiplied with 2 and multiplied with 3, and a and b should be 1. Now this, I guess, I thought it will escalate even more, but it doesn't. B equals a multiplied with 2. But this should be growing faster than the third one. So I don't know why we got these issues. Really don't know. Maybe, maybe or not maybe. do it too, but this doesn't make any sense. Yeah. Oh, I get it. He is in the ma. They are increasing themselves too quickly. So let's do something like this. Like this. Oh, my bad. 4 and 5. That's again the 1. Okay. Still the gap is too big, so let's say something like 9 and 10. Yeah, doesn't make any difference. So yeah, we can't have this much fun. Anyways, so what could we also try? Maybe. I could do a random site generator. No, not, I mean, something like with an API. That sounds more fun. Like, how can I describe it? And, oh, no, I kind of, thanks to the one who subscribed lately. Thank you very much. And hello to the new viewer. Or I shouldn't say hello, because when I say hello to the viewers leave. I don't know why. Maybe it's my voice. I don't know. Is my voice so annoying? But yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, that's no, shouldn't be. Didn't want. I guess it sounded a little bit rude. I didn't want to sound rude. I'm sorry. What was my intention? I forgot what I wanted to do now. Whatever I want. Whatever I want. What do I want? What do I wanna draw? Oh, sorry for the claps. This was too loud at the microphone. But let me. What was the first code? The cooler code. Yeah, b plus 1. No, b val was b plus 2. So. Equals 1 and b equals 1, and there is, I guess, one bracket missing. No. The wall wasn't finished. Yeah, this was the cool graph here. Okay. This was a cool graph. So I had a cool idea regarding the cool graph. If we now the gap should be even greater. Yeah, this the B just decides how big the graph is. Like B plus 33. Yeah, as you can see, it's now a bigger storm and more on the side on the bottom. Yeah. Oh, thank you, Via, or I hope I didn't pronounce you wrong. I'm really sorry if I do. Yeah, thank you really much. Yeah, I hope my voice is relaxing and not, yeah, kind of stressful to hear. Yeah, so what could be another graph I can show you? I can play with. This is kind of playing. I can look up, how can I switch the style? Switch style. I recently covered that, but my memory is pretty bad. Like I'm already getting dementia. Sorry for that. But I guess I do say sorry a lot, but I kind of don't realize that because of my dementia. guess it was just, yeah, plt point style point use. So plt point, or this should be here, plt point style point use, and I guess the name was black background. Yeah, dark background it was. So dark background. Now let's see again. Keyboard interrupt. Yeah, here we go. This looks cooler. Like an alien graph. Okay. I mean, the video is called Watch Me Coding Absolute Nonsense, so I'm still being... I can't do program anything useful. It would be against my concept. I mean, you clicked on me because you wanted to see me coding nonsense, so I should really stick to nonsense and don't do anything useful or with a proper meaning. And yeah, so next thing to play with is maybe plot. Could be, I need some inspiration. What could be the next one? Random rand int. Ah, yeah, totally. Random point rand int 0 to 1 to 100 divided by 100. So let's random the now the pause is also randomized, as you can see. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I think it's kind of funny. Let me, show you that. And now let's combine it with some Numpy. Yeah, I guess it's now time to do Numpy. Import Numpy, and now plt point plot numpy point random point rand int shape should be now let me think, how can we do the shape? Rand int, yeah, low, high, and then I guess this shape. So low is 0, 1, and shape should be 100. Now let's see. Yeah, that happens if you combine it with matplotlib. Hello alloc or alloc, how are you? Funny that now it shows me that there's only one viewer left. Oh, this looks messed up. Let me stop it. Yeah, that's the thing. That's the hard part regarding live streaming, because if you are not live streaming, you can, or recording something, you can simply click on pause, Google it, because yeah, if you're doing a tutorial, you kind of do a script like this, but if you're live streaming, you have to remind it spontaneously, and that's kind of the hard part, but shouldn't be, yeah. So, maybe can do something like we have cosinus and sinus. So let's add this. I'm from Germany. Where are you from? And how are you? We are doing data science because I made a vote. And yeah, if you want me to explain anything regarding matplotlib, feel free to ask. I'm kind of, yeah, like And now I lost my connection, I'm sorry. Yeah. Oh, cool, India, yeah. Kind of my goal regarding holidays one day if I have some money. But yeah, sounds really cool. Yeah, and one of my goals regarding holiday one day, because I have to get the money, but yeah, I love India is really tech related, so that's why I'm interested in visiting India one day. And because everyone speaks English, so you can, if you know some English, you get well along there. Yeah. Okay, so next, what could I do? I wanted to add sinus. Yeah, I totally forgot that. For that, let's revert back. Yeah. Let's do it in, yeah, this kind of pace. L plus, yeah, length of L. Now we should simply get a step like this. Yeah. But I don't want a step. I want import numpy as np, because numpy is perfect. And p point sinus of length. This should also be in the math, not mat. How again was that? Sinus. Oh, I messed up the brackets. Here we go. Now? Yeah, now we got a sinus function. Yeah, cool. That's cool. So let's get a little bit more detailed. Length, let's say divided by 2. Yeah, now it gets better. This is a sinus. Could also do plot cosinus next to sinus. But yeah, that's cool. Okay, now let's do something with cosinus. I guess if you're not into math, I mean not the drug, I mean the subject in school, you can't do anything with that, but yeah. Yeah, me too, me too. Kind of. Yeah, I program yeah, kind of, how you call it, do coding as a free time job. So I don't earn any money. I'm coding at my work too, but I'm not a full coder there. Something, yeah, like that. Okay. Good impressions today. So where was I? Forgot what I wanted to do. I will grab a cup of coffee soon because I need another coffee, but not now. Let's again PLT sinus. I wanted to plot also cosinus. LL equals another one. LL plus NP cosinus. Oh, this is cool. Okay, if you're not into math, you want. Okay, I will write it down. Maybe I will dive into that if you want a tutorial regarding that. Don't know if I can handle it, but maybe I should give it a try. Because at the moment I don't have that much subscribers. Maybe I will never have much subscribers, but anyway, what I wanted to say is that I'm open to any kind of suggestions. Yeah. So yeah, I wrote that down. So I only got 3 viewers, so I shouldn't feel ashamed regarding doing some, getting myself a cup of coffee. I will return soon. So please just, oh, let me close this. Okay. Please just wait. Wait, I'm totally German accenting today. But can I delete them? Ah, I have an idea. Because regarding the y-axis, something like, let's do 0. No, not that. Let me see this. Yeah, let it do more slowly because I can. That's because I want to. That's every 2 seconds. So. Yeah, why am I doing that? So because I'm grabbing myself a cup of coffee. You have there's something on the screen. So people who recently joined see what I'm intending. Okay, see you in a few minutes. Yeah. Okay, 1 second. My coffee machine is kind of not broken, but yeah, I will fix a few things. Be really right. I'm really right back. I'm sorry. Okay, finally I'm back and I'm curious if anyone still there. No, everyone left. Okay. Yeah, that's my fault. Still. Okay. But let me just continue. So, because yeah, many people just wanted to do the basic stuff, so let's keep it to the basic stuff. Let's do another file called basic stuff. And here let's do again what always is important, because we are covering the basic stuff now. And yeah, what is important is import matplotlib as, or matplotlib point pyplot as plt. That's important, and plt point show. These are the few things you should always write first if you plot something. And yeah, now what we do next, we are doing usual line graphs or line charts. So we use the plot function, plt point plot. And if you really want to see something, you should use as an input one-dimensional array for simply some values that will be shown. Now let's, wrong file. Yeah, file, let's do basic stuff. Required one argument. Okay, what did I do wrong? Wrong function. Okay, so here we go. Here is our first graph. Can you see them? Let me open. Yeah, in OBS you could see it. Perfect. Okay, so by the way, thanks to the one who's lately subscribed. I don't know if he's still watching, but thank you for your sub. Okay, I sounded a little bit, cringe. Okay, next step. So plt point plot gives us a line chart, and we can plot any data. By the way, if you haven't watched a Numpy tutorial, I would recommend doing it. I also have one, but there are many good tutorials outside. So we can do something like np point zeros, and the shape can be 100. Now, if we do that, we simply have a line because we just did zeros. So we want to give a two-dimensional array, or do we want that? Yes, scale np point random point rand int. Oh no, not this. Like this. And no one is watching anymore, so I can could simply do another break without anyone noticing. But yeah. Analyze something. Also head back to some pyplotting. No, not pyplotting, pygaming. But yeah, first check some stuff. I'm doing it in the background. Should always do things in the background, always do multitasking, that's good. Hello to the one who joined and doing pyplot. Feel free to ask anything. And yeah, I should also do something like text. Like, yeah, let's delete some stuff. I deleted the wrong one. That's stupid, but yeah, I need to kind of clean up the screen. So I will, no, not this. Pygame here. And yeah, like this, and like this, and like this, and like, yeah, this. Okay, now next step is, yeah, because it was kind of voted that way, let me do something like, yeah, random stuff like add trying to explain basics in matplotlib. Feel free to ask anything in the chat. Would recommend it. This is kind of a live tutorial. So yeah, I can show you anything you want. I can explain anything you want. And it's kind of bad that this is in white color. But yeah, here you can see the plot and you can see my letters or my writing. And you should be, that's good that it's digital writing, because my handwriting, no one can read my handwriting. That's far beyond everyone's power. Yeah, need to make it even smaller that it kind of matches in that white space here. And this can also be smaller. Yeah. Okay. So NP point, which is pretty simple. If we want a line chart, we can do something like p point random point rand int from 1 to 10, 100 numbers. And now we will get 100 random numbers in a line chart. Pretty simple. And if we want something like we can do multiple plots. Let's do 3 plots. Now we got 3 plots, which sounds a little bit like, yeah, we want to eat noodles, but we have noodles at home and the noodles stay too long, so they kind of turned into living creatures. It looks like that, but yeah, if you have valid data, you can do something more interesting with it, I guess. So let's do some plot bar charts. Yeah, PLT point bar. PLT point bar is a little, not more complicated, minimum maybe, because yeah, you can't do a bar chart without, let's say, without labels, because yeah, one missing required arguments height. So he thought this is we need a height, which is also 1 1 1 1 1. It's 2, and really important, this size should match the next size. Here we go. Now, why is this just a blue cube? It's just a blue cube. Yeah, totally perfect English. No, what I wanted to say, why do you see just a blue cube? You will, now my tongue has kind of doing weird stuff. You see a blue cube because there is no gap. So we should simply add some gap between everything. And we can do that by another function, I guess, another argument. Now, because the labels are pretty much the same, if we do something like this, we get an error. Let me see if you can see the error. No, you can't. So let me show you. If we get an error or an exception, let's be proper coding language, we get an exception. And this is simply the fact because, yeah, the number of labels doesn't match them. So what is really important is that we get different labels, because if we have the same label, like here, like we first had with our ones, he will think we have one bar but different values. So again, here he simply put two bars together, kind of fused them. Yeah. And if we change the first one to 3, now the first one will be 3. So he looks at the highest of the labels. Pretty simple, so yeah. But I'm not finished. Am I? No, I'm never finished. One sip of coffee, and yeah, you can. What could I show you? Sinus? No, nothing regarding sinus. Sinus can be, we can do later stuff with sinus. Can do, sorry, I need to think. 1 second. Seconds, it don't sound like I have a problem with pronouncing everything. No, what I wanted to tell you is you can even switch the colors, like, I guess it was color sys, or let me see, what was the argument? Color equals yellow. Was that the argument? Let me see. Yeah, this looks really bad. And I guess you can use something like this. Red. But yeah, let's do red 4 times, or yeah, we have 6 bars, so red, and then 2 times blue, or let's say black. Now, yeah, we will get different colors, like a color map. Pretty self-explaining. And says the end on Lord of the Rings. And yeah. So again, what else regarding matplotlib? Let me think. Bar plotting. So we are at bar plotting. Also draw it horizontal. Like 1 second. How do we do it horizontal? I'm totally stupid. You are just at an age here. Now we got it horizontal. Yeah, kind of wasn't prepared for that. Or was I? But yeah, that's simply a graph where it is horizontal. Now we can even do something like while true. Now again, we animate stuff. If you want to animate stuff, PLT point pause is your friend, because yeah, he will just pause 1 second and then he will check if anything is now different. And we can say like if random point random, guess this, or rand int, it's random point rand int bar else PLT point bar. And let's do it more quickly. And now let's see. Are missing A and B. 0, 1. So let's do it. This is cool. This is something different. This is an abomination I like. Yeah, we have to do something because, again, it is called Watch Me Coding Nonsense. So we should always rely on coding nonsense. Nonsenseful stuff. Okay. Next step. What is the next step I can show you? Is there even, it should also be able to make it maybe upside down? I guess this was possible if I'm remembering correctly. It should call it correctly. Oh, coffee is always your friend. So bar, let me see it. Style upside bar matplotlib bar upside down. Yeah, I know how to plot upside down, but was it that? X-ticks? PLT point X ticks rotation equals 90. Let's see what happens now. Oh, nothing. Okay. And if we do something like 180, nothing. Okay. We can do something like, oh, yeah, this will be messed up. Random rand and 0, 180. You see, you have to look at the label. Wait, let me show you. Yeah, kind of funny what is possible with that. Yeah, kind of anything is possible in matplotlib. Okay. So, what could I show next? I could sing. No, I won't sing. No singing today. No singing. I mean, maybe you got bad neighbors, so you want me to sing, so your neighbors will immediately flee, or will immediately leave. Do you have bad neighbors? I don't know. I kind of get along with them, but that's it's simply because, yeah, we have to, and we are in a small apartment, so you have always to keep with your neighbors. So again, PLTX ticks. We can do the same with y ticks. Now let's see. You see the rotation? Really not something useful, but yeah. Maybe you can combine that knowledge with something useful. That's the spirit. Okay. Next step. What can we next? I simply will do a tutorial, but we kind of mess everything up. I guess that's to get more fun into it, because yeah, there are many matplotlib tutorials. Okay, what could we do next? Let me have. Oof. No. This is too complicated. We're doing it for basic stuff. So I won't do anything complicated, I guess. I could try something like... Yeah, let's do some scatter stuff. Today it shouldn't be too complicated, so let's do scatter stuff. Scatter is always fun. PLT point simply 2, PLT point pause, 0.05, and PLT point scatter, random point went in 10, basic stuff, and random point went in 0.10, that's Y. Here we go. Yeah, I already covered that. 1 second. Kind of the polka dots. Kind of covered that already in different videos, but maybe you didn't watch them. So you can see it for yourself. You can, yeah, scatter is kind of synergizes really well with animating plots. And yeah, so PLT point pause. What can we switch next? We could do something like C. Let's first say 0 to 1000 to increase it even more. Yeah, here we go. This kind of fills quick pretty fast. So the size, I wanna switch the size without breaking my tongue too much. So how could I handle this? Maybe I could do something like PLT point. What is size? No. PLT point scatter. Sorry for the waiting. Marker, yeah. And where was the marker? Let me get a list of the marker. Scatter. I want to get all the marker shapes in one list. I need to find it. Marker. Ah, here we go. Yeah, this should be the most common ones. Marker equals, let's say markers. Markers equals, just copy that from the internet, but I'm fine with that. Random point choice markers. So now let's run it again, and why? Yeah, now we get different markers. Still, I even know a few more examples, like the star one. Plus, star should also be a marker. And this one, let's see. Oh, this isn't? Okay. Yeah, but the rest is, so yeah. Looks even more random now, but we need to make it even more random. So how random can it possibly get? Let's find out. Okay. How can we find that out? New markers. Markers. Okay, let me do something like, I guess this is a marker. O is a marker. Oh, we already got that. The big O is also a marker, I guess. No, it isn't. Unrecognized marker. How can we get the marker? I want to get all markers. Matplotlib markers. Here should be I got a list. Perfect. But I want them in one list. There should be a possibility to simply get them into one list. 1 second. And thanks that you are still watching, because there are not much viewers joining at the moment because I don't get that much impressions. So I'm really thankful for everyone who keeps watching. Okay. So I still need to get a list of markers. Is there something like... I got an idea. Print mat markers. Matplotlib point markers. And do I get a list? No. Import markers? Oh, no. This is pretty. Is there nothing like... That's kind of a shame. So shameful. I'm so feeling ashamed. You know the shame in Game of Thrones? I feel like that. Totally. So markers. Now I got a list. Why did I have to search that up? So markers, but this is a dictionary, so I say markers point keys. Now let me print markers. Here we go. And again, delete this. So here we get a list of our markers. Markers equals, and now we should get all markers. Yeah, here we go. All markers. Perfect. Yeah, I need to have to do it like this. Perfect. Okay. Now it sounds like a little child found some stamps and is randomly attaching them to a white sheet of paper. But that's cool. I mean, it could look worse. Now, what can we also mess up? We want to mess it even more up. So, what could I do next? I could do something. Yeah, I should do something. That's obvious. And now no one is watching, so let me do a little pause as well. be right back. But I'm still there physically, so I can tell interesting German bedtime stories. There once was a girl who found a box of fire sticks. She wanted to see them glow, and she burned to death. Good night. This is a German bedtime story. Another German bedtime story. There once was a boy who always sucked his thumb. His mother asked him to stop, but he wouldn't. So she cut off his thumbs. Now he has no thumbs. Good night. You wanna hear another German bedtime story? Sure. There once was a little boy who refused to eat. Then he died of starvation. Good night. You have to say the good night. Another German bedtime story. There once was a boy who went outside. Also, it was stormy and rainy. Then he was blown away by the wind and died. Good night. Okay, there once was two boys who liked to play tricks on different people, and yeah, they died. Good night. There's still anything else? I don't think so. Maybe. Now I just need to check a few things. We'll be right back after the break. This really sounds like a commercial. I should be doing commercials, but I guess no one would buy the products. Yeah, I guess no one would buy products from a commercial I was creating. And hello to the one who joined. Yeah, we are doing some pygame, matplotlib. Okay. Yeah. I'm live. Live and alive. And maybe I will fall asleep while streaming. I mean, this happens a lot, I guess. I can't be the first one who falls asleep. I already fell asleep while streaming, but I'm really quiet, so I guess no one really realized that. But it's okay. Sleep is important, so always get your sleep. Kind of being the one teaching the kids the important lessons today. Like, kids should still always get their sleep. And yes. Okay, I'm thinking about what could I cover next. I guess because no one is watching that much, I will maybe get back to pygame. But I will leave a text message here. Want me to do matplotlib, write it in the chat, and I will do it. Here we go. And yeah, so let's get back to something like pygame. Okay, so pygame roguelike. Level generator, there was logo equals, so main function. Logo equals pygame point load, level generator. So there are still issues like fans color. Generate level, no main. Generate main character. Oh, this should be not there. You know, if I would sing, I would definitely get on TV, but not because my voice would be good. But it's entertaining. That's another really good step. That's a really good aspect that it should. If you're not good in singing, if your singing is entertaining, it doesn't matter. Okay. Now I got in kind of got catched by the Zelda theme. Okay, but let's get back to level generator. So just copy it. Obstacle and fence color. Here we go. Now left color. What was left color? And someone wrote me a message. Oh, nothing important on my phone. Yes. Well, but I finally get new impressions, which is also nice. And yeah. Where was the left color? Main. Oh, this was left color, yeah. So level generator. Left color. Here is another, should be another. Inventory image, yeah. This also needs to be imported. Inventory image. And again, main. What else needs? Oh, we are fixing more and more. So which is pretty good. More and more gets fixed. Clock tick and break. So why is he? Oh, we need to import the clock. If player dead should be return. Yeah, of course this won't happen because, yeah. Because. I guess I should return maybe even to matplotlib. Simply based on the fact that people want me to do more matplotlib. So let's do matplotlib. Or let me do Paul. Another Porsche is good. Matplotlib or pygame. Why can't I do another Paul? Here. Paul, matplotlib or pygame. Plotlib pygame. Yeah. Paul has started. But no one is watching at the moment, so do something else. Doing some changing stuff. Okay. While I'm waiting for the poll and a new viewer, just check other stuff that has to be checked. What can I tell you, Novo, while waiting for someone who can decide what I'm doing next? Again, I could sing something, but I'm not good at singing, so I will maybe I will I guess I will do some pygame again. Okay, level generator, clock tick. So I need to import the clock, I guess. Where's the clock generated? Clocky, clock, where are you, clock? Clock, ah, here. So this needs to be actually clock equals none. And yeah, main. Generate boss level. Clock equals clock. No, equals clock here. And yeah, while running, clock, 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 clock. Clock equals none, perfect. Now this should work, at least a little bit. Hopefully, maybe, maybe not, maybe. And yeah. What else? What could we do else? Let's see. Something we could something we could also add, like now I'm hello to the ones who joined, by the way. I'm doing some pygame, but if we want, I can resume to matplotlib. Tell me just what I should do. I will do anything. Okay, I will do anything what is what I'm capable of. And yeah, you can vote, by the way, for matplotlib or something else. And I will just have a few looks. So clock equals none. So the main function, does it work? Yeah, the game works. Cool. Can you see the game? No, not at all. Let me show you. Window, 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 window. I need to window. Where's the window? There's a window. Here we go. Not this window, but this window. Here we go. This is the window I wanted to show you. Let me do it bigger. Yeah, this is the game I'm recently working on. So I can move my figure, I can level up, and the inventory is also working. But what I really want to do is I want to do a boss battle. So how can we do that? Like generate empty boss room. Ah yeah. Next step should be return to main, and we should do the if true. If false. Now I'm excited. Will the game still work? No. Pygame and module level has no attribute. Okay, if false. Yeah, I know this is not possible. Generate empty boss room. Generate empty boss room. Generate empty boss room. Generate a Okay, this is strange. And hello to the one who joined. We are doing some pygame, trying to do the find the issue. Okay, level gen. Generate empty boss room. Generate empty boss room. Generate empty boss room. Same. Okay, let me see. Point. Generate empty boss room. Ah, maybe I'm not allowed to main import check. Do this. Font not initialized. Where is this? Font line 8. By the way, you should see what I'm doing. So let me do decrease the size so you can just see the console. And yeah, files and modules are also important in that case, so you should be able to see them as well. Okay, next step is font not initialized. Funny. Don't get the issue at the moment. What is wrong? Funny equals pygame point font. Maybe did I import something? Yeah, there's a lot of yellow. I know. Basic functions. Pygame, like this one. Level generator also import pygame. Import pygame, yeah. Level generator import pygame. Pygame point init. But this can't be the issue. Ah, it was the issue, okay, and yeah, of course this is not defined because do it here. Maybe we will put the functions into another module, so it will be. But for now we have to, yeah, player equals player. Ah, this is annoying. There's still much to do, which is a shame. Pretty much annoying. Annoying stuff. But yeah, we should handle this. We will handle this. With the might of the coffee, we will handle everything, because coffee is like everything. Without coffee, existing isn't possible. With that in mind, we just have a few checks. Event. Event, main event. Event. I need to get event for event in pygame.get. Okay, so need to get to event. Need to get to event. Need to get to event. Need to think. Can you hear me, by the way? Yes, you should be able to hear me. Yeah, event. Sorry, my connection isn't that good. Okay, so how do I solve this? Event type. Again, this event should be for pygame in event. Here it is. Check for key input. Player equals player. Event equals event. Now this should have event. Event equals none. And rectangle to door. Ah, the issue is in the main function, it was part of the script, so that's the issue. I get it. Finally, I get it. And thanks to the one subscribing, thank you really much. Today I got a lot of subscribers. Really cool. Thank you for support. And yeah. Analyze something. Cause. Oh. I am thinking what I could do next. I am so confused. And I can't even sing, but I am still singing. And this is okay. Rectangle to door. Maybe this should be generated here. And door chord, door, and rect to door. And now we are doing global door, global door chord, and global, oh no, not that, rect to door. Okay, and now player equals, of course, player. And from inventory, import, open inventory. And screen, so we still need to get the screen. Import. I don't hope I won't get a cycle, because when I get a cycle, yeah, let's simply say it is bad. Let's sum this up. It is not good. Okay. What else? This was much more work than expected. Screen equals the screen. So we should key input, check for key input, player, screen equals screen. Screen equals screen. And in this definition we have screen equals screen equals none. Now please work. Oh, finally it works. Finally. Man, this was more work than, yeah, much more work than expected, but finally we got an exception. Okay, what exception? Name no call list is not defined. Where do we have no call list? Call list. Where was the no call list defined? No collision list. No call. Oh, it is global. But where? Where is the no collision list defined? No. Yeah, and this line should also be here. Level generator, no collision list. Oh, we don't need this one. Oh, we need. And am I stupid? Yes, probably. But here I don't see any no collision list. So where is the no collision list? Hello, by the way, anyone who joined. I'm trying to find a variable because here the game still opens, but I can't. So no collision list. Where are you? Global no collision list. Yeah, I know. No call list equals. Or was it something else? No. No call list is not defined. So no, we get. It is defined. And this is the only instance, yeah. And global no call list is in check for keyboard input. So. Ah. In this case, I get it. Man, this is a mess of work. Or not of work, it's not, you can't call it much work, but a mess of code. Yeah, that's why if you're doing it object orientated, you should do it object orientated from the very start and not so messy like I'm doing it. That's not the way you should do it in any case. Learn from my mistakes. Please do that. Okay, so now no collision list. Level generator, no collision list. We need a no collision list, and we need to check for input. Global no collision list. This should be okay. And no collision list. Where is it? Check for key input. And C equals no collision list. So copy that argument for key input. Here we go. Equals none. Here we go. Run it. It is defined. Oh, okay. No, it isn't. And see. And see. And see. And see. And see. Now let's define it again. Now please work. Yeah, it works. Oh, but I have to scale the image. The image is too big. Doesn't match with the, but still, and yeah. Okay, here we got the next issue. Of course. So I need one little break. Yeah, now it's time. I didn't even do a break. And let me just do a little break. 5 minutes. Be right back. Be back in 5 minutes. See you. Okay, I'm back. So let's again not plot something. Not that what I wanted to say, but let's resume to pygame. I'm still streaming only 2 hours, 15 minutes, so there's plenty of more stream. And yes, so check for key input. That was not. Where was the issue? No call list reference before assignment. In generate empty boss room 208. Huh? Don't have 208. Again. So no collision does work. Still have to fix the issue that the picture is too big. But oh, why did it work now? Don't get why it worked now. That's interesting. But it seemed to work. So again, okay, so I don't know what I did right, but I did something right, I guess. Okay, so again, I'm saying so that much often. I will now do, what did I do in the main function? I used logo equals logo point size 2020. Let's also do this in the level generator. And here is a, no, there's no issue. Logo equals so. Yeah, that's better. And this is a cool level design. Okay, the red is annoying, but I like the dark style. Funny if we would get a totally dark level, which is not impossible, but yeah, the possibility is quite low. So the game works, but why am I doing this? Why did I do something like this? Oh, we can still figure out if, because yeah, the next enemy type who will spawn is a little bit more complex, so let's try this out. Oh no, the enemy after that, but these level 3 enemies will drop quite a few XP, getting me to level 4, and with level 4 we have the most interesting enemy type, the new one, which I implemented, I guess yesterday, these little eye things here, which are pretty fast and are following the player. It can be kind of dangerous if they have increased size, but yeah, also they work fine. So yes. Okay, this looks more like a level 2 room. And we got a rainbow room. This also still works. So yeah. Here we go, the eyes. No 2 at once, but yeah, I'm level 8. They are no problem anymore. And I should be able to heal. Let me see. Oh, the inventory doesn't work. Okay. Player has no attribute inventory. That's good to know. So let's look at the inventory. Have a quick look. Level generator. No, here. Inventory. Of course he has. Maybe level generator from inventory import. Import everything. So again, let's try it now. Why does it... I don't get it. Really. I simply don't get it. Why do I have problems with the inventory? Maybe... Oh, no. Main... Inventory. Player 1 point inventory. Okay. Level generator. Player point inventory. Add item. And generate. Ah, the item generation. Line 31. Input. Goods player. Here? No, not there. Maybe, let me see, it's a chat. Nothing new, okay. So we zoom back to the code. I guess here lies the issue. Open inventory. Player has inventory. Player, and the player is the player. I don't get it. Don't get the issue. I'm so sorry. Don't get the issue. Inventory, no. Player has no attribute. Player. Okay. Line generate empty bathroom. Maybe. Player equals none. And now player. Player equals player. Now again. Here we go. Now I kind of need to check everything just because I want to add a boss room, but yeah, I guess we will get the satisfaction of defeating a boss in the end. Hopefully. So yeah, this also works now. So everything should be fine. But man, this was really a mess. A mess of fixing. Bug fixing. Okay. Oh, I don't have a potion. Okay, so how late is it? Maybe I will stream a few more minutes. Don't know. I'm at. Yeah, won't close it now. But I will get something to eat because I'm streaming like 2 hours, so I should get something to eat. And my first 10-minute break, I guess I've earned it. Maybe. Maybe not, but I will anyways. I will do a 10-minute break. Should be doing that. I hope I earned it. But I need one break. And then we can finally create a boss in the boss room. Yeah, that could be a good finish. Will be about 1/2 an hour, maybe 1 hour, but yeah, that's will finish today's stream. So 10 or 15 minutes. Let's do 15 break from. I can't even look to 0. 53. So if anyone is watching, see you soon. Hello to the viewer who joined. I'm doing some pygame. 1 second. I'm eating. Created this little pygame. And yeah, I will implement a boss soon, the first boss in the game. And then I will also implement other stuff like new items. Finally some swords or something where you can items that finally makes sense in a certain way. Yeah. And by that, feel free to join me if you're still there. Oh, you're still there. Yes, 1 second. Let me just close this program. So what I did now, I kind of got a different level generator because the problem is I have to do it object orientated, and yeah, not that easy because I didn't do it object orientated from the start. So yeah, kind of have to move the code. And now this should be the common way. This is yellow just because it's in an if false case, so it won't happen now, but it will happen soon, because else the level generated, and now this is the level generation of the boss room. So obstacles, obstacle whack. Where do I get the obstacles? So we don't need any walks anymore. 0. Now let's run it, and yeah, no walks. So obstacles is an empty list. Perfect. Still, this is just an empty boss room, so yeah, that's why. 1 second, need to eat a spoon of my cheese curd, because I need to eat, because I need to go to bed sometime. So I do something like eating and coding at the same time. Okay, back to coding. What do I want to do? First, let me animal list. Main level generator, basic functions, generate enemy list. If size factor equals 1, elif size factor equals 2, pass. Now main enemies. Now let's generate some blobs, because we will generate the blob king. So enemy list plus like blob. For x in range 10. Let's create 10 blobs in this empty room. And hello to the next one who joined. We are kind of working on pygame, creating a boss now, after setting everything up. And yeah, so X in range 10. Animal list. Okay, so size factor equals 2. Now let's get back to level generator. Enemy list equals size factor equals 2. Now yeah, so we set everything up. Now still doing strange noises. I'm proud of the strange noises. No, I'm not. This was a joke. Yeah, sometimes even a German does a joke. It's really seldomly, like once in a lifetime, but it can happen. Sometimes even German do jokes. Not good jokes. We are not good at joking, but we are joking sometimes. Okay, so I'm should stop talking about that, but more about how we can now. So item, collectible item. Generate item list. Size factor equals 2 or mode equals 2. Basic functions. If mode equals 0. Oh, not that kind of equals. This kind of equals. If not mode colon elif mode equals 2. Pass. Okay, so now we should have pass item list equals, here we go, maybe this, yeah, okay, no items anymore. Now it's time for the boss. Finally we can do the boss. And now let me do some paint. Yeah, please don't think too bad of me because I use paint for this, but I have nothing else to give because of paint. So yeah, he can't use paint. Looks pretty funny, but yeah. So King Blob. King Blob is 4 times 40, double the size. Now like a blob, but he has a crown. Crown for the king. If you know the reference, you know a good show. King Blob's room. Crown for the king. Okay, so this is King Blob. You can't see him, but you will see him soon. PG build King Blob. And King Blob will be imported. One second. Main object, storage, here we go. king blob. So enemies. Where is enemies? Main objects here. Just have a quick eating session. Eating session finished. A second. Hello to the one who joined. We are implementing finally a boss room regarding our little pygame. Sorry, I'm eating while doing this. So enemies. Class. King blob. King blob equals. Now class king blob and from blob. Now let's copy it. But he has another side is 300 and yeah, x size multiplied with 2. HP is 300 and attack is pretty low. Yeah, shouldn't be that of a hard hitter. We are still, yeah, facing King Blob, not any evil antagonist. Yeah, okay, he's evil because we have to defeat him, but not that evil. He's not an eldritch abomination you have to face, but he's still evil, okay. Now, so, where was I? Yes. HP, this level multiplies with 100 because it's a boss. No, this. Come on, little fella. So. Now. We have to import King Blob. And where's the error? Ah, okay. Didn't use indentation. Yeah. So now this should be formatted widely. Okay. So next step is eating something because I still need to eat up my curd. Be right back. One second. Yeah, now it's important that we still keep in mind I wanted to keep something in mind and I forgot it. So now blob image 2 equals now Where is storage? King blob, where is king blob? Here's king blob. King blob PNG, and it should be blob in image 2. Here. Now, main level generator. If enemy plus equals blob. Oh, come on. Blob. One. No side because, yeah. No, it will be just one. And not blob, but king blob. Now I'm curious. Yeah, here we go. Here's the king blob. Cool. This is a boss. So he should eat me alive. And he does. And I still can't die. Yeah, now he's dead. And I'm not, because yeah, there's no death in this one. So let's add a death. How do we add death? Sorry. I'm sorry I got stuck into thinking and now everyone left. No. Hello to the one who joined. Yeah. Doing some pygame. But yeah, I'm open to everything. Okay. Pygame. So the blob king is still too small in my opinion. I'm totally tired, so I will sleep soon. But yeah, what level generator? I want to. What's level gen? So if player dead. How can we do? Return. HP. So player dead equals 2. here we go. Maybe here, let's try it out. Oh, and no blob is generated. Where is King Blob? Here's King Blob. Okay, now let's fight King Blob. He should eat us alive. You're dead. Oh, perfect. Now it works. Finally, I was even afraid it won't work, but it works. So I guess we are finished for today. King Blob should be a little bit increased in size, maybe. But maybe that's more something we can do tomorrow. Guess we are finished for today. Yeah. Totally think like that. And I hope you enjoyed the stream for today, because I guess I'm shutting it down now. Still was a really fun stream to do. See you hopefully one day else. Yeah. In the next stream, maybe tomorrow. See you. Bye bye. Okay, now I need to, where do I close it? Yeah. See you and bye bye.